when I was in school, Queen Mary's High School had a sportsman's prayer on every sports day. It starts off, it's a long one, I'll just give you the crux of what it relates to for this event. It was says, dear Lord, in the battle that runs to life, I ask but a field that is fair. And at the end it says, if I should lose, let me lose like a man and not like a coward, I pray. If I should win, let it be deserved with a faith and honor held high, and let me stand with a smile by the side of the road as all the angel champions winners go by. So this brings me very nostalgically that in the battle of life, we have such champions who, in spite of problems health-wise, financially, or family-wise, they still make their goal. They have a dream, they realize their vision, and thank you for making Nina Foundation what it is today. Because had it not been for our angel champions, we wouldn't have been known as Nina Foundation. Because had they not been there, we wouldn't have been doing what we are. So thank you, God bless you, and may you reach the stars and go beyond, and let us be there to see you do so. I will call upon Ninu to give a vote of thanks, and not before, after which we leave for dinner, which we're all ready for. Okay? So here's Ninu.
Well, I'll run through this fast. Spinal Injury Awareness Day is a much awaited annual celebration जहां हम हमारे काबिल दोस्त with spinal injury को सम्मानित करते हैं. परिवारजन, दोस्त, उनके सहयोगी और हमारे अतिथि को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद, जिन्होंने इस सालाना जलसे को मन से सराहा है. आसमान में कई सितारे हैं. नीना फाउंडेशन हर साल इन्हीं सितारों में से 2 ऐसे सितारों को सम्मानित करते हैं. एक है रॉक स्टार और दूसरा विल स्टार, जिन्होंने ना कि सिर्फ खुद का जीवन संवारा है, बल्कि कई जीवनों को प्रोत्साहित किया है. We thank all those who have spared their precious time to attend this special day today. Trustees of Nina Foundation are very proud of these friends and their families who support this cause on behalf of Nina Foundation. I express gratitude to all present here. Thanks to friends from various institutions who have braved the rains and traffic, and especially जो दूर से आए हैं. Thank you. A special thanks to our trustee, Dr. Shekhar Bhojraj, who respectfully invited Honorable Chief Guest of this evening, Dr. Habil Khorakiwala, Founder Chairman of Folkheart Group. Thanks, and thanks to Sir for understanding the vision of Nina Foundation and extending your support. And thank you, Zahabi, for being here. आप सभी पद्मश्री डॉक्टर मिट्टू अलूर को जानते हैं, जो आज यहाँ उपस्थित नहीं हैं, पर उनकी शुभेच्छाएं हम सभी के साथ हैं. थैंक यू मिट्टू दी फॉर योर थॉटफुलनेस एंड ब्लेसिंग्स. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद. आज की हमारी गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर वर्षा ऊजा, ट्रस्टी CEO ADAPT. Thank you for gracing the evening and the lovely premises that you gave us readily with all the facilities. Nina Foundation and Ketna in particular thanks you for all the support. We thank Captain G.K. Nene for cash prize of rupees 25,000 for the Wilstar awardee in the memory of his wife since 2011. Our special thanks to spine surgeon Dr. Abhay Nene for connecting us to Captain G.K. Nene. It is a privilege to have our dear friends of Nina Foundation with us this evening, Mr. Walter and Mrs. Selina Vera, ladies team from All India Women's Conference, Jacob sir, Mrs. Jacob, Mrs. Devyani Vora, Mrs. Nivedita Seth as our special guests. नीना फाउंडेशन एक ऐसा मंच है जहां सभी की एकता और विश्वास ने नया रंग भरा है। आज इस शुभ मौके पर हम उन 25 एंजल्स का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहेंगे जिन्होंने अपने हौसले और बुलंद इरादों से अपना एक मुकाम पाया है, जहां इन्होंने ना कि सिर्फ खुद को पर अपने साथियों को भी परिस्थितियों से लड़ने का जज्बा दिया है। Thank you to all those who are catalysts in encouraging friends with spinal cord injury to always look up and make a mark. Himmatda Advani ji, we are blessed to have you as part of Nina Foundation family. Dr. Athreya, Mr. Fernandez, thank you for being here. Thanks to our OPD team, Dr. Dhruv Mehta, Ashish, Ratna, Suraj Kutub, Soumya, Sadiq, Ramiz, Chirag, Tanmay and Gaurish, helpers Shubhangitai and our peer counselors Madhu and Bhavna, who have played their role with commitment and passion to the cause of spinal injury. We profusely thank sponsors of this event, with Madhu Narangji of Better Services for their creative trophies of the Rockstar and Willstar Awards with their beautiful cases, and the 25 Angel Champion trophies. उनका ये सपोर्ट नीना फाउंडेशन को 2009 से सबसे पहले SCI डे से है। Our blessings and good wishes to our 80-year-old friend. We thank Nand Kumar Hendre for Print House India Private Limited, Mrs. Jayashree and Namrata Mehta for happily making delicious chocolates and beautifully crafted batwas. We heartily acknowledge our advertising partner, Create and Young, who has been more than an advertising partner, being a pillar of support for each and every activity related to our SCI Day, and the brilliant team for all creative communications, collaterals, backdrop, design of trophies and brochures, which they do dedicatedly for Nina Foundation under the leadership of our trustee, Mr. Dhaval Mehta. Kajal Haryani is our admin associate and OPD coordinator. She has meticulously and joyously connected each and every aspect of SCI Day, whether it is catering, audiovisual, stage management, logistics, registration, volunteers, everything. Kajal, dhanyavad, dhanyavad, dhanyavad. Shukriya Thapa ji, Shukriya Naveen bhai for audiovisual, Jaisud bhai, Bharti Dai for catering, our lovely volunteers, Mrs. Rujuta Kelkar, Vimal, Stanley, Deepak, Akash, Sonia, Shrutika, Sunny, Namrata, Bhavna, Priyesh, Virali, Lakshita, Fleur, Namisha, Mayur, Purvi, Shweta Iyer, Meeta Sehjwani, a student from Wellinger, and Shruti, Roshni, Ajay, Shivaji, Mukund from Create and Young. And last but not the least, Vidya Shinoy, a dear friend who has each year compared this evening with grace and impromptu wit. अलविदा दोस्तों, अगले साल फिर मिलेंगे इसी मंच पे जहां हम फिर नए 2 सितारे को सम्मानित करेंगे। आपसे अनुरोध है कि बाहर सर्व किए गए डिनर का आनंद लीजिए and have a good and safe evening. Thank you so much.